So hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And this is actually version 2 of a video I already made. This is version 2 of how to make a fake virus, but I've improved it. So the first file you want to create, you want to name it file1123.txt. That's very important. Now after that, double click it and copy this from the description. Now you want to do file save as. You want to save this as file type .bat. You want to change this to all files and hit save. That will create a file named file1123.bat. You want to delete the text document file that was named the same but just txt at the end. Now you want to name your next file file1134.txt. Open it, and you should copy all of this to the from the description of this video. You want to do file save as, and you want to change this to file type .bat and name it file1134.bat. All files, hit save. Once again, it will create another file called file1134.bat. You want to delete the text document form of that. You will see you want to create another text document file and name it file1147.txt. Open that up and copy this from the description of the video. You want to do file save as and then name it file1147.vbs and change this to all files. Now click save. Now it should create this kind of looking file right here. You delete the text document form of that. You have one more file left. You want to create a new text document, name it file2256.txt. And now copy this code from the description. Hit file, save as, file2256.vbs. Make sure there's a dot in there. And change this to all files. Hit save. And it should create another VBS file. You want to delete the text document form of that. Now you have 3 files left. And this should run your main engine of the fake virus. So I'm gonna delete this test folder. After you got this done, you want to open the you want to do create shortcut. You want to rename this to my PC. And then you can go to properties and you can do change icon, hit OK, and do the PC icon, hit OK, apply, and OK. And it should bring up a message, the thing with the My PC. This is the only one you can drag to your desktop. Close that file out. And now, if you open My PC, it will bring up a bunch of this text. And it will bring up a bunch of this LOLs, your computer is hacked. The first one you do will say, why are you still clicking this button? Stop clicking the button! Please stop, I'm just trying to hack your PC. Wait, no, I didn't mean hack your PC, I mean make it faster. Okay, fine, I'm trying to hack your PC. Explorer.exe has stopped. If you stop clicking this button, I will stop hacking your PC. Please stop. Windows is shutting down. I will kill your PC if you keep pressing the button. Stop! Okay, fine, I'm not really hacking your PC, this is fake. And then all of these you can just click OK, and they will go away, or the X. To close this stuff out, all you need to do is go to the bottom, hit this, and hit close all windows, and it will go away. And that's how you make a fake virus. Now let me just try and upload this.